Here I've got the Blizzard Sheeva 9, which has an updated graphic for this year. The construction carries over, but it was the perfect ski for me to jump on today. In doing some research on this ski, I felt like it just needed to be read to you because it's very creative. The redesigned Sheeva 9 is a nimble ninja from the Sheeva family, featuring a freeride true blend wood core. It's never met conditions, it doesn't absolutely crush, and is perfect for the lady shredder looking for the one ski guarantee to keep a smile plastered on her face. So, while it's 96mm underfoot and it's got heaps of rocker and it loves to be off-piste, it loves to be in the powder, Blizzard designed this so that you can enjoy it everywhere and every day, not just for that elusive powder day. You can definitely feel it. The turn initiation is incredible, so easy, so stable. I remember ski testing it about 4 years ago, and I feel like it's definitely come a long way from then, in terms of that stability and versatility. It's always been maneuverable, but now I feel like you can take it on the piste, stand on it, and still have some fun.